are going to talk about the knee jerk reflex and the grading of the reflexes. It is a deep tendon reflex. The patellar reflex is contraction of the quadriceps femoris muscles with resulting extension of the knee in response to the percussion of the tendon. A firm tap on the tendon draws the patella down, stretching the quadriceps and provoking a reflex contraction of the muscles. In order to elicit this reflex, the patient can be in the sitting or in the lying down position. Responses on the two sides can be compared by lifting both the knees simultaneously, supporting them on the forearm. The examiner is trying to palpate the patellar tendon with the knee supported and the quadriceps have been exposed to see the contraction in response to the stimuli. These muscles are being supplied by the femoral nerve with a root value of L2, L3 and L4. Normally, the response is characterized by contraction of the quadriceps, there is brisk upward movement of the tendon, and there is extension of the leg. So how do we grade the reflex? In the first patient, there is no response to the stimuli, hence it is grade 0. Now, in the second patient, the reflex is present but it is diminished. We can appreciate that it requires a Gendrassik's maneuver to elicit the response. In another patient, this is a normal response. Note to be made that the movement of the examiner should be at the wrist joint while tapping the tendon with the reflex hammer. Moving on to other case scenarios, here we have two patients with the grade 3 reflexes. The reflex hyperactivity is characterized by the following points. There is a decrease in the reflex threshold, there is a decrease in the latency, there is an exaggeration of the power and range of movement. Also, there is an extension of the reflexogenic zone and the spread of the reflex response. So it is important to note that when the reflex threshold is being decreased, a minimal stimuli may evoke the response. Hyperreflexia may be seen in anxiety, fright and agitation as well. The exaggeration is not in the speed or threshold of the response but in the range of the response. Now carefully observe this patient. First of all, minimal tap is producing the response. Power and range of movement is also exaggerated. You can very well appreciate the contraction of quadriceps muscles. And when checking for clonus, we can observe there is well sustained clonus. So, this patient has grade 4 deep tendon reflex. The quadriceps muscles is composed of 4 muscles, that is rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis and vastus intermedius. Marked exaggeration of the patellar reflex accompanied by the patellar clonus is also known as Westphal's sign. What is inverted patellar reflex? Tapping the tendon results in contraction of the hamstrings and the flexion of the knee instead of an extension response. Let us see this patient. Here, we can compare the response on two sides. There is hyperreflexia on both the sides, but it's more on the right side as compared to the left knee reflex. What is the significance of hyperactive or hypoactive reflexes? The lesions of the corticospinal or pyramidal system lead to hyperactive reflexes, also known as UMN lesion or the upper motor neuron lesions. Hyperreflexia results from a lowering of the reflex threshold due to increased excitability of the lower motor neuron pool. Whereas the hypoactive reflexes are being caused by a lower motor neuron lesion, the lesions of the sensory nerve, posterior root, dorsal root ganglion or the intramedullary pathways between the dorsal root entry and the anterior horn cells lead to hypoactivity of the reflexes. Some of the important points to be noted are that in the disease of the cerebellum, the reflexes may be diminished or pendular. The pendular response may also be observed in chorea, but there is more frequently a hung-up reflexes. In the neurogenic processes, deep tendon reflexes are usually lost out of proportion to the atrophy and the weakness, whereas in the myopathies, the reflexes are present initially, but when the atrophy and weakness are severe, the reflexes may disappear.